Hello students of Standard 3rd, welcome you all to Dear Memorial Public School e-learning class. This is your English teacher Renuka Vishwar. So let's begin our today's online session of English. Today we will continue with the same topic, that is man learns to fly. This is part 2. Let us take a short recap what we have learned in part 1. So, the name of the lesson is Man Learns to Fly. In olden times, it was the heartiest desire of many people to fly. They looked at the birds and kites staying up in the air and wondered why they could not do so. They were very strong determination to fly like them. At first they tried, they had done some experiments. They attached wings to their bodies and jumped off high mountains. But this experiment proved that were dangerous. Many people died and many were injured, seriously injured. People were not discouraged by these failures. In 1783, two brothers, Jacques and Joseph, made a balloon. It was made of thin linen and paper. They filled it hot air and released it. It rose to a height of 500 meters. When the air inside the balloon cooled down, it slowly came down onto the ground. After some time, the brothers sent up another balloon with a basket hanging underneath. 8. The basket had three animals, a hen, a sheep, and a duck inside it. This was a successful experiment when they have done second time. The balloon traveled through the air for a short time and gently came down, with the three animals safe inside. The second experiment was successful. The balloon traveled through the air for a short time and gently came down with the three animals safe inside. This success further encouraged the two brothers, and after a month they themselves went up in the hot air balloon. A great crowd gathered to watch this event. This time the balloon rose to a height of 900 meters and covered a distance of 10 kilometers. This was the first flight of man. This is the first time where men fly in the sky, fly in the air. This experiment successfully done. Dear students, here we end this story. Now on basis of the story we have to solve some exercise. Let's see. See the question. The question is, the sentences given below tell the story of how man learned to fly, but they are jumbled up. Number them in their proper order. Read this sentence first. Number 1 is, this was the first time men had travelled through the air. Second one is, the two brothers sent up another balloon with a basket carrying three animals. Number 3. People always wished to fly up in the air. Number 4. In 1783, two brothers built a hot air balloon which was made up of linen and paper. Next is, some of them tried to fly with the help of artificial wings but they got killed. Number 2. The next number is, a month later, the two men themselves went up in a balloon full of hot air. So these all sentences has been given here. You have to be arranged in proper order. For example, see the sentence number 3. This event has done first. So you will give number 1. People always wish to fly up in the air. Number 2 will come, the second last sentence will come number 2. Some of them tried to fly with the help of artificial wings but they got killed. And the next one is the sentence number 1 will come in third order. This was the first time men had travelled through the air. In this way, you have to be arrange these all sentences in proper order. Let us see the next question. Question number A5. Find words from the text which have the following meaning. See the first word. Form you want to do something. It means determine. Okay, so you have to write the synonyms of this sentence. The words you will find out the similar meaning of this text. As we have done first one, rest of the question you will do. See the second one. You do it to find out what will happen. What does it mean? It means experiments. Okay. The third one is lack of success. It means failures. Like this you have to be find out the correct meaning of this text from the story and complete it. So rest of the two questions you will do it in your notebook. Now this is your assignment time. All the exercise and assignments you will solve in your notebook. Let's see what is in your assignment. This is your assignment. Let's see. Question number A6. Fill in the blanks with the words you have written in A5. Okay, so the words, the synonym words which you have written in A5, from those words you have to be choose correct one and fill in the blanks. For example, see the first one. This blank proved that the earth is round. Okay, so the correct answer is experiment from A5. See the next one. The boy wanted to blank his sheets. So what will the correct answer? Gather. The boy wanted to gather his sheep. Like the first one, these blank prove that the earth is round. So this experiment proved that the earth is round. So this is the correct answer. Like this, you have to be complete this fill in the blank. See the next one. Find from the text the words opposite in meaning to those given on the left. One has been done for you. See the first one. Two column has been given here. In one column words are there and in second column you have to write the opposites one. So see the first one. The first word is high and what is the opposite of high? Low. Low, it is the opposite word of high. Like this you will write all the questions. So all assignments and exercise you will solve in your notebook only. Thank you and have a nice day. We will see you in our next session. Till then, bye bye.